Hello everyone, welcome to RK Hair Studio. Nowadays most of the men are facing this issue. That issue is bald head. There are a lot of solutions available in the market for bald head. Few are like surgical method, non-surgical method, and few oils are available for bald head. The only way to get instant result is non-surgical way. In non-surgical method there are 4 types. One is clipping, second is taping, third is bonding, fourth is weaving. Out of these 4 methods, our client has chosen taping method. He can't come for the service every month, that is why he chose taping method. The main advantage of this taping method is the client does not need to come to service every month. Client can do service himself at his home. Our technicians explain you how you can do service at your home in our studio in detail. Whoever is far from our studio, who cannot come every month to our studio, this taping method is very useful because you can do it yourself. You can see our client is sitting here. He has bald head. After a few minutes you are going to be amazed with his new look. So look at this person, he has transformed completely new and he is looking younger, right? So this work has done within short time and within few minutes. After looking at this amazing look, why are you hesitating? Please visit our branch. We have free demo and free consultation in our every branch. If you like the demo, then only you can fix a new patch. For more details, contact our number which is shown on the screen. If you like this video, share, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.